Hey friends, welcome back to my kitchen. It's almost summer here in Southern California, so today we're gonna do a boozy battle between my two favorite summer drinks. It's the Long Island iced tea versus the Adios Motherf bleep-er. It's New York versus LA in a glass. One is classy chaos and one is blue and proud. At the end, you decide which one makes it a night to remember or maybe best forgotten. Let's get started. First up, we're gonna make the Long Island iced tea. Rumor has it, this baby was born on Long Island during Prohibition. I'm originally from New York and this was my first summer love. I have to warn you though, these taste so good that you order a second one before you realize that you shouldn't have. Let's mix this baby up. Now we're gonna pour an inordinate amount of alcohol into our shaker. 1/2 ounce of vodka, 1/2 ounce of rum. Now traditionally this drink calls for white rum, but I prefer the darker, richer rum, and that's what I have, so that's what I'm using. 1/2 ounce of gin, 1/2 ounce of tequila, 1/2 ounce of triple sec, 3/4 ounces of lemon juice, 3/4 ounces of simple syrup. This is my own homemade simple syrup, super easy to make. Throw some cubes into your shaker. We're gonna shake vigorously for 10 seconds. That makes your hands really cold. Pour your drink over a glass of ice and top it with some delicious Coca-Cola. Give it a swirl, give it a taste. That is every bit as good as I remember it. And now it's time to mix up its cousin, the Adios Mother Trucker. I first met the Adios at my friend Rob's birthday party. I saw this beautiful blue drink walking by and I said, "What's that?" And somebody said, "It's the AMF, or the Adios Mother Boop." And I said, "What's that?" And they said, "It's the West Coast Long Island iced tea." Well, I gotta try that. This reminds me of the girl dressed in glitter and neon that walks into the bar ready to party. Once again, we're gonna put enough liquor for a frat party into our shaker. 1/2 ounce of vodka, 1/2 ounce of rum, 1/2 ounce of gin, 1/2 ounce of tequila, 1/2 ounce of beautiful blue curacao, 2 ounces of sweet and sour mix. I'm gonna make my own. That's gonna be 1 ounce of lemon juice and 1 ounce of simple syrup. Add a couple cubes to our shaker, shake it up. Drop in some ice. Pour that blue baddie over the ice. Top with a little lemon lime soda like Sprite. Some people like to garnish this with a cherry, but I think a lemon looks way better. Now it's time to taste our vibrant blue friend. Ooh, that's a tough competition. On your right, you have the Long Island iced tea, your friend who shows up at the club dressed to the nines but ends up dancing on the bar anyway. And on the left, you have your best friend with blue hair who shows up and yells shot, shot, shots. Both are gonna make sure you have a great night. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give these drinks a try. Let me know in the comments which one you like better, but don't drink them both at the same time. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time on Kat's Vegan Kitchen.